Good day, everyone. Learn how to quickly hide photos and videos on Android using Google Photos Archive. So, I have currently opened the Google Photos, and here we need to long press some of your photos or videos, whatever you want to. And once you long press, you get this option share, trash, backup, and move to archive. The moment you see that, when you click on that, this will be hidden. And then we need to go to this collection. If you want to see your archived, you will find it right there. And then you just need to click on these three dots and you can unarchive. And that will be clear the clutter and you will have this image again right there. So this is how you can hide photos and videos on Android using Google Photos. If you find this tutorial helpful and short, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.